Good morning, Dreamhouse Nation. James Lewis of This Dreamhouse, the show that is all about the house. Joining us today is our favorite chef, Chef Mark from Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Chef Mark, thank you for joining us today.
I'm thrilled to be here. Thanks for having me on.
We need to hear what you've been up to. What are some of the great things that have been going on?
I got to tell you, it's been great to get back out there post-pandemic. Things are starting to get back to normal. And one of the things that I love most about my job is going to galas, fundraisers, and donating cooking classes, hands-on cooking classes to organizations throughout Denver that support the community. And I've been doing a lot of that recently, and it's been really rewarding.
Nice. So with those hands-on cooking classes, do the winners, do they come in and they cook with you, or do they just have you cook for them?
Well, that's a great question. They have the choice of having it in their own home or in one of our beautiful showrooms, which is really popular recently. And I have them do the cooking. I coach them through knife skills and roasting and sautéing, and we make a dessert and appetizer. They get to eat everything they make. I provide them with a custom recipe packet that they get to keep, and I even provide them with tech support. I make sure they have a link to my YouTube channel, and they have my email, and opportunity to follow up on recipes that we made. It's a ton of fun. They get to learn things, but most importantly, they get to have a great time in the kitchen with people that they know and they love and they like, and it's really, I think, a rewarding experience for the winner of these auctions.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I mean, yeah, that definitely sounds like a great experience and something that you can build a team around or build a family around, and just kind of one of those nice memories that you'll have for years to come.
Yeah, and then the biggest benefit is that the gala, the event that we're providing this donation to, gets the financial reward of having auctioned off an in-home cooking class with myself. So the people who win, not only it's a double win. They get to support this organization, but then they also get to feed their knowledge and have a great time. So it's a win-win for everybody, and Appliance Factory is so proud to offer that, and I'm just honored to be facilitating that.
That is great. Any tips for outdoor cooking this Memorial Day?
Yeah, Memorial Day is a big food holiday. I think it's one of the big, 3 or 4 food holidays of the year. The others, of course, being Thanksgiving, 4th of July. And I always talk about cooking outside and not just grilling maybe some hot dogs or hamburgers, but trying to make the entire meal outside. So I do a lot of wilted salads over the grill. I get a big metal bowl, fill it with maybe arugula or spinach, a sturdy lettuce that tastes better when it's kind of been cooked down just a little bit. I might add some crunchy things like nuts, tortilla strips, like dried fruits. If grilling chicken, go ahead and add that to it, and just try to make your entire meal outside, grilling stone fruits like peaches, or cutting up a pineapple and grilling that, serving it with pineapple, and then of course thinking about some low and slow things like ribs or a pork butt on the grill, something that you can just let go so that you have an opportunity to talk to people, guests, friends, company. Because there's nothing worse than getting stuck at the grill all day. That's happened to me recently at a party at my house, and I missed so much of the company because I was too busy working. What I really wanted to do was just cook, walk away, and enjoy time with my company.
I really like that idea about cooking fruit on the grill. I ended up taking your advice, and I ended up doing peaches, and then I ended up putting ice cream over it, and it was amazing.
Did everybody think that you were a genius?
Oh yeah, they're like, "How'd you come up with this idea?" And I'm like, "Oh, I just, I thought I'd try something new."
Good. Yes, because whenever you're taking an idea from myself or really any chef, just own it. Just take it and make it yours. That's what makes it special. There's no copyright on these ideas. I didn't invite grilled fruit. I just remind people what a great idea it is, and it's simple. And whether you grill it, it's caramelized and deeply flavored, or just just a dance across the grill. It's going to taste great. Trust your senses, trust your instincts, and you're going to have a great time.
One of those big things people love nowadays is YouTube. Actually, it's been popular for a while, but I'm now just catching on to it. So tell us about your channel and why it's on fire.
Well, thanks. Yeah, I've been putting a lot of work into my YouTube channel. Is that my name, Chef Mark Kalix. My last name is Kalix. I have over 250 videos, and there's a wide array of videos. Several of the playlists are appliance experts. So I talk about what my experience with these appliances are, how to air fry, what convection does, what's better, gas or induction. I have a whole knife skills section, and then just recipes, and a lot of the recipes that I have on there are the video version of the recipe of the signature dishes that I make when I'm in somebody's home doing a cooking class. Some of those signatures would be my goat cheese fondue or the chocolate truffle tart. These are items that are really easy to make. They punch above their weight class when it comes to the amount of ingredients and just how much flavor you get out of them. And extremely popular. And we're adding things all the time. Recently, we started doing some shorts, something that you might see like on TikTok, which I also have a channel. But we've been doing a lot of fun, silly ideas. The idea is really actually a solid idea, but the presentation is really silly and fun, something that everybody can enjoy watching. And it's all there in one place. So I encourage your listeners to go to YouTube, check out my channel, subscribe, and remember, subscribing is free. I've heard that, I can't afford to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. All that does is when you turn on YouTube, it just reminds you that, hey, I'm there, I got some ideas, you might want to be entertained by my channel, and it'll pop up in your feed a little bit more often than if you don't subscribe.
Exactly. Yeah, it doesn't cost anything, and it's basically just recommendations of stuff they know you're going to like.
Yeah, and what's great about subscribing to various channels is that it really does propagate your feed with things that are interesting. So I'm into motorcycles and mountain bikes and rock climbing, and when I open up my YouTube, I get all kinds of fun things to see, including other chefs. I get quite a bit of inspiration seeing what other chefs do. And, I find that every time I open up YouTube, I'm educated about something interesting. I feel more informed, and I enjoy that.
That is awesome. As always, Chef Mark, it is a pleasure having you on the show with us today.
This was a great time. Happy Memorial Day to everybody out there.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom has products in stock and available to take home today. 17 stores, almost 40 years in business. They're Colorado's appliance experts, and they can help you get the right product at the right price for you with huge inventory and a 350,000 square foot warehouse. Save 30 to 60% every day on everything from Bosch and Viking to LG, GE, even KitchenAid. Unbeatable savings in stock. Plus, Mattress Kingdom inside Appliance Factory has everything from Tempur-Pedic and Sealy to Stearns & Foster and DreamClaw mattresses in stock. Stop by any one of the Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom 17 locations today or visit ApplianceFactory.com.